If tan A is equal to 1, then 2 sine A cos A is equal to, given tan A is equal to 1, here tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to tan 45. Tan gets cancelled. A is equal to 45. So therefore, 2 sine A cos A is equal to 2 into sine 45 into cos 45 is equal to 2 into sine 45. Sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2 into cos 45. Cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So that is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled is equal to 1. 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Evaluate secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A for A is equal to 60 degrees. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Secant 60 degrees, that is A is equal to 60 given, plus tan 60 into 1 minus sine 60. Secant 60. Secant 60 is equal to 2 plus tan 60. Tan 60, that is root 3 into 1 minus sine 60. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. 2 plus root 3 into, you take LCM, 2. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 1 is a 2, that is 1 into root 3, that is root 3. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 whole divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here A is equal to 2. 2 square, that is 4, minus B is equal to root 3. Root 3 whole square is 3 by 2 is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. 1 by 2